guys, so welcome back again to my channel. It's Vio here, and today we're gonna continue another episode of Mushoku Tensei Season 2, Episode 1. And finally, this is the Episode 1. So, after the last episode, Episode 0 is basically, I know that's not the main story, not yet the main story of this season, just because that's kind of like a flashback for Sylvia moment why she deciding to become Asura's Princess King guardian and live as a new person, as a Fitz, as a guardian, the Fitz guardian, just because he or she kind of like hutang budi gitu sama si Ariel, Princess Ariel. Jadi makanya dia ingin membantu Princess Ariel untuk mencapai tujuannya dan menjadi seorang putri atau the country's ruler, ya, the country's penguasa negeri gitu. Sekaligus ini juga kayak kalau nggak salah tuh si putri Ariel itu tuh kayak bersimpangan atau kayak berlawanan against his brother Grumble, where I forgot his name. Grumble. Yeah, for I remember Grumble. His name is Grumble. Jadi dan terakhir juga she even paid or ran some assassin, a famous assassin to kill his sister Ariel. Luckily that Sylvie they are sleeping together in the same room with the Princess Ariel, so that's why she can protect Ariel once again, luckily. And after it, she deciding to be loyal to Princess Ariel every time or everywhere he want to go. And after it, I don't know, they are kind of traveling together, like Luke, Princess Ariel, and Sylvie, but I don't know where they are going to or where they are heading to. So I think maybe in the first episode they will be explaining, or I don't know, or this episode just pure like the situation of Rudeus, the Rudeus scene, or the situation after Rudeus ditinggalkan, ya, bisa dibilang kayak after Ares left. And I know maybe this is kind of like a make him a depression again, some depression, you can say a second depression and frustrating after the first one in reality. And no, the second depression I think will be in this world or in isekai, and as a boy too, and as another person life, just like a Rudeus life. So I'm getting so excited to see what kind Rudeus now and what instead that Rudeus now. Jadi aku penasaran banget nih, setelah bisa dibilang kayak Rudeus tuh mengarah kayak ke depresi gitu ya, depresi karena ditinggal sama Ares dan semuanya kayak merasa abu-abu. Jadi dia kayak nggak punya petunjuk gitu untuk menemukan Zenith, ditambah lagi sama Zenith pergi gitu kan, Ares pergi gitu kan ya, tanpa ada pamit, tanpa ada ngomong segala macem gitu. Jadi aku rasa ini kayak depresi dia yang kedua kalinya gitu kan ya, setelah sebelumnya di dunia nyata, sekarang ini dia di dunia isekai dunia lain dan sebagai orang lain juga gitu, sama-sama depresi. So just let's go for episode 1. Okay, it starts snowing. Kayaknya mulai ini ya, salju ya, turun salju gitu ya. Mungkin karena udah winter kali. Oh, it's Rudeus, okay. Yo, my boy. Eh, he's just think that we are strangers, so why I must answer your question? Sarah. Depressed. Depressed, yeah. Well, he is kind of like a more looks like a clueless person or a clueless boy. Mostly poor. Labeled as the magic nation, okay? Ranua. Manufacturing magic tools. Magical research. Also, basically, in Ranua or the next kingdom is about the magic stuff. The development of magic, yeah. They are support for all of the development of magic. Support ini ya, support tentang semua magic ya, development perkembangan kayak alat gitu ya. Pabrik untuk alat magic, sihir dan segala macamnya gitu. For a month. Pasti nggak meyakinkan sih. Masih kecil begini, mesen kamar tuh buat sebulan ya. Innermost room on the 3rd floor. Wait. Yeah. Oh my god, he is even still have Aries hair. To soothe my heartbeat. Iyalah. Come on boy, just move. Just moving on please, just move on. Disbanding a party? Di awalnya ragu ya. Not. But all of them just love him. Solo? Is that even allowed? Oh my god. tell me that maybe these two will accompany him, or maybe they want to join him as a party, form a party, a new party maybe. Yeah, working together, right? Definitely. Yeah. So they are in 6 member. Berarti totalnya 6 orang ya kalau ini benar. They really are similar. Did Rudeus see her as Aris? Oh my god, please just move on, please. Just move on, please, Rudeus. Why? Oh, vice leader. Jangan bilang leadernya itu si Sarah lagi. Rear guard. Offensive magic, okay. Oh, okay, so Timothy is a leader. Healing magic, okay. Vanguard. Learning material. Capek meren ya. Oh. You can see picturing her as Aris. Yeah, I know they have maybe have a same, you know, a specific unique. Aha. Oke, so itu cara kerjanya ya. Oke, berbeda pendapat. Against different opinion, oke. Anomali, oh my god. Similar. Oh please. Little big head. Yeah, probably. Desho? Oh. Oh. Sengaja ya memancing keluar gitu. Yo, okay. Oh, jangan bilang dari bawah juga ada loh. There are beasts hidden under that under. Oh, gila. Massive attack. No, this has even been a dangerous, more dangerous than before. Okay, being trapped between this monster. Oh, oh my god, no. Okay, Sarah. Okay. Okay. Please, Rudius, do something, please. Because they are fight for the server. Okay, so this is the scene that where I look in the trailer, in the teaser. Rudius, kenapa diam aja, please? Sarah. there are still a lot of them. Gila, masih banyak sih. Okay, it's my turn. It's my boy's turn. Yo, I will killing them at all. Once at all. Sekaligus ya. Okay. Wow. The massive flame. Mayan buat dijadiin makanan gitu ya, atau dikasih ke guild petualang gitu buat dijual, lumayan sih. Atau mereka gunain bulunya buat dijadiin cloth ya, atau dijadiin pakaian gitu kayak coat atau apa kayak gitu. But they choosing to make as a food. Gitu dong, semangat. Aduh, kemarin aja lesu minta ampun. Ah, Rudeus langsung mikir, they are just too similar. Oh my god. Outsiders. Atau kan benar bulunya pasti buat dijual sih. Kenapa harus ada Rudeus namanya? Kenapa nggak counter magic arrows gitu ya? Kenapa harus ada nama Rudeusnya gitu ya? Ya, finally they are welcoming him. What was that? Itu jimatnya kah? Oh ya, kayaknya sih jimat yang Rudeus. Oh my god, sedepresi itu kak dia, aduh. He even remember Roxy in this time. Yeah, there is still something I have. Gila sih, pelajaran di episode kali ini tuh banyak banget yang bisa diambil ya. Lu mau ngebakar rambutnya? Oh my god. Yeah, just move on please, boy. Depressed magician. Master, is that referring to Roxy maybe ya? Okay, so that's for episode 1. So basically this is just about a reduce that want to getting a start or starting a new life, or you can say a new journey with the new party of them. There are Sarah, there are Timothy, there are, well, I forgot here his name, but basically 3 of them is actually a mage, so he can use magic, including Asmodeus, and the 2 one is a vanguards, you can say, and the one is the arrow woman. Yeah, he use or she is you can say the arrows girls. Okay, she fighting with the arrows or archery, you can say, and both of them is actually bring Rudeus to his student party just because, yeah, you know, at first he is such an outsider and want to be a, you know, want to going a solo, no party friends, or not want to join to the other parties or the other build team member. But I love how I forgot her name already. I love that how the vanguard woman is kind of like supporting him, even though he is such a, you know, he is on the in depressed state just now, just because maybe he thought that he is still her, he doesn't still move on from the past. But no, after apa ya, setelah dia bertarung bersama gitu ya, dengan adanya Sarah, dengan adanya yang lainnya, dan melawan beberapa itu tadi monster itu, kayak kesadarannya tuh langsung kayak digetok gitu. Maksudnya dia langsung kayak sadar gitu, there are still a responsibility or the apa ya, tanggung jawab yang harus dia emban, yang harus dia lakukan, yaitu adalah mencari Zenith ibunya gitu ya di sini ya, daripada harus stuck dengan masa lalu gitu kan. Yang mending lu harus move on to future, and then what you can do now gitu. So I really like from this series and from the first episode how it kind of like you can say just like flip the table. Yeah, it just fast as you flipping a table. Jadi ini benar-benar kayak secepat membalikan telapak meja gitu, telapak tangan gitu ya. Jadi dia langsung menyadari kesalahannya dan ya, just move on from the past gitu. Meskipun mereka telah meninggalkanmu, tapi meskipun mereka jauh, tapi mereka tidak meninggalkanmu dan mereka masih sendiri gitu. Nah, jadi di saat seperti inilah dia kayak langsung teringat sama pesan Roxy dan bener-bener kayak mengingat Roxy masternya gitu ya, show-nya gitu bisa dibilang. Jadi bener-bener Roxy itu berpengaruh penting sama Rudeus ya. Jadi bukan hanya Aries saja, tapi kayak Roxy itu juga berpengaruh penting gitu buat dia, Zenith dan segala macam sih. Dan juga dia mengingat Sylviet ya, masih ada orang yang menunggu dia di sana gitu kan ya, untuk diselamatkan, terlebih lagi Zenith dan segala macamnya, dan keluarga dia pun Paul, adiknya Aisyah, Lilia, and then Norn gitu ya. Okay, so I'm getting you can say touched from this episode 1, yeah, just because the short of development of him, just like I like it. So yeah, that's for episode 1. Thank you for watching season 2 episode 1. Thank you for watching. We're gonna continue for another episode, for the next episode and the next meeting. So yeah, thank you.